Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I am going to be doing my foundation as usual, but I'm going to introduce, I'm going to change a couple of things. So I'm going to be trying the highlighter number 1, which is a matte radiance highlighter from Mercier. It's like a big product, and I'm also going to be baking with a new secret blurring powder to see what happens, you know, because I've never actually done that with that product before. And it's such a different formula that I don't know what to expect. But before we get there, first things first. I was kind of sad this morning because I woke up and I noticed this big old zit. And I tried to pop it, and it was one of those, like, if you think that it's ready to go and you try popping it and nothing happens. It was one of those. And just got angrier and angrier, and nothing came out. And I think the skin is too thick, so it couldn't like pop out and be free. So we'll see. Hopefully it comes out tomorrow, but we'll cover it pretty well, don't worry. I hope everybody had a good week last week. It definitely has been feeling crazy putting a video out every day, because it feels like I made that statement like a couple of days ago, but I looked at how many videos I already put out, and I think it's almost to 20 videos, which is insane, I never thought I could actually pull it off and have the amount of content that I do now. But it's kind of cool because, like, as an artist, I feel like I'm growing quicker, and I'm experimenting with things, and given, yes, like a lot of those things I could have done before, like, I don't have to do a video with it, but actually doing it and sharing it makes it a lot better. I don't know, it gives me a little bit of confidence in my makeup skills. And it's also fun to create something new, A lot of the times when I do a look, I don't really know what's gonna happen, like I don't have it thought out, like, oh, this is what I'm gonna do, it's gonna be inspired by this. I just kind of get a general inspiration and just kind of go with it, and then let the look dictate where it wants to go. And I've been posting the looks on my Instagram. If you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, it's @VixForHere. So it's VIX4HERE. It has all the looks that I've posted so far, but like a cool photo version of it. And you can see like the whole work, all looks next to each other. And it's been kind of fun. Like, I never thought my Instagram would look that cool either, because it was pretty boring. It was just like photos of work that I did for other people. But, having the same face with different makeup is kind of interesting. I went to Namie's last week, and I got what I needed to get, and it was fun. And I thought I didn't need anything, but I think I need to go back. Oh shit. I think I need to go back. There's a couple of things that I want to purchase that I want to like use in my videos. One of them is a white eyeliner, liquid eyeliner by Kat Von D called Neruda. And I want to try that new Kat Von D, liner that's like angled, that looks like a brush, but like an angled brush, and it's supposed to give you a really precise line. I want to try that out and see if it actually is worth having. I'm also in the mood of kind of creating an all eyeliner look where I just use like a liquid liner, and it's very cool and graphic. I think I'm not going to use any shadows at all, so I'm excited to do that for one of my videos coming soon. I'm breaking out a lot on my neck. I gotta research and see what that's about. Like, I thought I was being healthy and stuff, and for a while there wasn't anything down there, but something's telling me that there's something wrong. Like, I'm eating the wrong thing, or I'm not eating enough of something. Which reminds me, I have to go to Trader Joe's and get some Brussels sprouts. Which reminds me, 3 years ago, when I used to go grocery shopping, I would buy like a couple things over here, a couple things over there, and it cost me a certain amount of money. But now that I'm trying to be healthy and I'm buying like mostly organic, you know, and I'm cooking like at least 1 or 2 meals a day for myself, it's getting expensive. Like, it's expensive. And it's like almost the same price as if I went and I bought something for $10. Does anyone else have that problem, or is it just me? Am I eating too much, or am I like eating too much, or spending too much money? I'm almost done, but I purchased another one. One thing I do spend money on, which I guess can be kind of expensive, is the brain octane oil. That is like 20 bucks for a small, not a small, but a medium-sized bottle. And I have like a bulletproof coffee every day. If you don't know what a bulletproof coffee is, it's like coffee with butter in it and then coconut oil. It's very high in fat, but supposedly it really helps with brain function, and it helps to keep you full throughout the day. And it's a great thing to have if you're in the ketogenic diet. Guys, it's so hot in LA, I can't stop sweating. It's like almost October and it's extremely hot. And I just want this heat to go in because I keep sweating. If you go back to my other videos like years ago, you'll notice like when I first moved to LA and I was doing my makeup videos, I was drenched in sweat. You could actually see the foundation and concealer just like roll down my face as I'm telling, oh, you should do this and that. It's like, it's super hot. Like, I don't understand why it's so hot. Okay, I contoured last time with the NARS foundation stick, and I think I'm gonna do the same thing in this video because it looked pretty cool in the photos. A little dramatic in video, but I think it's kind of fun, you know? Okay, now I'm using my cream highlighter. It's the Milk highlighter. Whoa. Now it's time to bake and see what happens with the blurring powder. So you can see it's definitely there and it's very strong. Okay, so I'm going to use a dual-sided brush from Laura. It has like a pencil side and then it has like the angled side. Okay, even though my glow is supreme, I'm gonna make it even more supreme because I'm gonna add that highlighter from Laura Mercier. So let's see what it does. So it's kind of weird because like she has a highlighter called Highlighter 01, which is a matte radiance highlighter. It's supposed to be matte but radiant at the same time. And I've used this before on people and it looks really nice because it makes those areas a little brighter. Whoa, no, it's pretty nice. But I guess the benefit of using this is that if you have oily skin and you wanna highlight that's like gonna absorb some of the oil throughout the day and still have that nice shine, then I guess this is a good option for you. I can't find my bunny setting spray, so I'm going to use the Kat Von D Lock It setting spray. Today's read of the week is the Harvard Business Review. Is that what it stands for? HBR? I think so. It's the emotional intelligence one. This one's an amazing book if you kind of, you know, if you own a business or if you manage a lot of people, or if you're trying to understand like why your manager says the things he says. It just helps you understand like the emotional side of having a business and managing people. You know, it's super insightful. And it really shows, you know, why some businesses succeed and why some of them fail. And it all ends up being about people at the end of the day. You know, just because you work with a lot of people and they have titles and you're like, you need to be doing this, you need to be doing that. There's a lot of other layers that go into creating and developing a business, you know, that are emotional and humane, that will dictate if people are gonna either stay or help you actually grow your company. So if you're in a rut and you're like, I don't know why I'm in a rut with your business, I would highly recommend that book out of all of them. Alright guys, that brings me to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed spending some time with me and you learned a thing or two. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to like the video and share. If you have any comments or questions, you can put them in the comment section down below, and I'll see you on the next video.